morning, YouTube. What it do? Actually, good afternoon, YouTube. How are we doing today, man? I'm feeling good. Today is the day, chat. Today is the day that I drop off the spoiler and drop off my car at the auto body shop. We about to get this spoiler put on, baby, today, man. Yes. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, I'm going to show you guys that video once we get it to the shop. And then when we get it put on the car, you know what I'm saying? I can't wait. I know you guys are excited. It's going to be the first modification of the year and for the car, you know what I'm saying, chat? But anyway, make sure you go shop for Onyx 13. This is limited edition. You can't get it unless you're not Onyx 13, you know what I'm saying? But I'm going to catch y'all. I'll see y'all soon. YouTube, YouTube, I just pulled up to Sabetti's. I'm about to get out the car now, right here. I'm about to go get this spoiler. Oh yeah, I'm about to get this spoiler installed, right, chat, on the 25 Camry. First time ever getting a modification. I'm so excited, chat. This is the beginning. You already know how we come. We've been wanting this for a whole year now. So I'm gonna talk to y'all when the final product is done, chat. You know what I'm saying? All right, I'm gonna see y'all. YouTube, what it do? Good morning, man. We are at Sabetti's auto shop and we just got our car, man. Look at this. Hey, if you guys are ever in the Ohio area, go right here. This place right here, they will always get you set up, right? 5-star review, 5-star review. Hey, man, I'm chilling. Life great, bro. Look at this, look at this. Let me show y'all the car. Show y'all the car. Oh my God, look how beautiful she is, man. Oh my God. Look at the spoiler. Spoiler looks hard, man. What we think? What we think? Put it in the comments down below. What we think? What we think? Bro, it looks so tough. Look at that. You know what I'm saying, chat? YouTube, welcome back. It is the only Carter, right? We got the 2025 Toyota Camry SE all-wheel drive. Hey, come with me real quick. Got a big surprise, chat. Look at this. After a whole year, we finally got the spoiler. Check it out, check it out. What we think, what we think. Honestly, I think it's beautiful, low-key. It looks way better than the stock spoiler. And we have these, like, 2 flaps right here. You know, we really gonna be balling for real. But honestly, I wanna let you guys know, if you like this spoiler, I got it off Amazon Wheel X. They're 5-star rating, and they're very reliable, and they answer back pretty quick as well. Also, I wanna let you guys know is we made it. We up. We about to get the mirror caps next. Probably go darker on the tint eventually, but it's all a grind and a process. You know what I'm saying? Remember what I said: discipline, success, and consistency. You know what I'm saying, chat? But anyways, I'm happy that I got the spoiler. You know what I'm saying? I got the box in the car, in the front passenger, the stock spoiler. But anyways, I'm gonna edit this video up. I'm probably gonna POV drive out tomorrow for you guys, and this will be day 17, chat. Make sure you guys do subscribe. YouTube, I lied, bruh. I lied. I'm gonna create a little POV drive for you, but I'm gonna show you guys the spoiler for real. Don't mind the dent, though. Don't mind the dent. But yeah, we live in, chat. We live, and we finally got the spoiler after a whole year. After the first time I failed with the TRD spoiler, it had cracked. So we just forgot about it, and then a whole year later, we finally got the spoiler. So I am extremely excited and grateful that we got the opportunity. And thank you to my boy Chris at Sabetti. We finally got the spoiler put on, so I'm very happy about that. Very happy and blessed, chat. But yeah, I'm going to give you guys this POV drive. I just accepted this internship, so I'll be working with marketing and on the social media team, so that's a blessing as well. We got something this internship. Still figuring out what we're doing for it career-wise, but we're going into the sports industry for sure. Hopefully the WNBA, if not NBA, and then, yeah. We're going to figure out. We got it together, chat, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah. I'll let you guys enjoy this POV drive. It's just something... Honestly, it's just something to get more video in, because the video that I'm making, it's not really a POV drive. Actually, it's really just me talking about my spoiler and what I did and blah, blah, blah. You know, the end result, the beginning and stuff like that, chat. So I only got 4 minutes of the recording, so nobody's gonna watch a 4-minute clip on YouTube. So we were at 2,088 subscribers. Actually, I was about to say 2,800. I was about to say, yeah, we haven't even made it that far yet. But yeah, consistent subscribers. We're getting at least 3 subscribers each video or every time I post. Well, that's a good thing. That's a green. That's a big green. We currently are at 35,000 miles. Crazy, right? Just got this car basically a year ago. It's about to be 2 years, but I'm at 35K, which is ridiculous. It's really not that bad. But chat, we living. We living. It is Friday. I'm feeling great. It's the end of the week. I'm gonna edit this video, probably go work for a bit, and I'm probably just about to have fun for the rest of the day and chill. Ain't nothing much really else to do, you know what I'm saying, chat? So we're gonna park up right here in this perfect, beautiful spot. Oh. All right, let's get it, boys. Come on. So, yep. That's the spoiler for you guys. Beautiful, 10 out of 10, especially on the 2025 Toyota Camry. Look at how beautiful this looks. The car is dirty though, but we still need to get a car wash in. Like, I just like the way it sits on the Camry. Like, it looks a lot better than the stock spoiler. Shit looks hard. Sweet. Failure is not an option, chat. It's not, and it will never be. All right, Chad, I'm about to go slide home and edit this video so we can get it up and ready for you guys at 5 p.m. Chat, probably be at home for maybe like an hour and a half and then probably go work for a bit. I got so many ideas working with you guys. I'm gonna probably maybe sometime next week, if I don't start that job. Like, if I start that job like Monday or Friday of next week or the next following week, then I'm not gonna wash my car. But chat, if I do wash my car is gonna look so much better. I haven't washed my car since I was down at Hampton. Oh, what was that? It's rocks. It's probably rocks. But yeah, I haven't washed my car since Hampton. So, car's been dirty. It's been raining. So, I'm saying, man, that's what I'm saying. Y'all don't understand how blessed and happy I am on the inside on how I got the spoiler. It's been a while, and honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Y'all probably thought I was BSing about that spoiler. Nah, I was dead serious. We was gonna get that spoiler regardless of how long it took. But you know, that's my first modification on any type of car. Because previously I used to have a RAV4 2021 LE. So I'm not gonna really mod that car. I wouldn't even mod it at all because that's just a normal car. I mean, this is a normal car too, but it's a sedan. It's a Camry. So Camrys look nice. Next car, probably thinking about a BMW. Do not know yet. Not even thinking about that right now. I'm just focusing on the now, you know what I'm saying? Present and now, you know what I'm saying? Chat. Let's take it this way. But yeah, this will be day 18 actually, because of what happened yesterday. I wasn't expecting my car to stay overnight. Chat, I thought it was gonna be like a one-day type of thing, but it's cool. Day 18 is still happening. Yesterday does not count. We're still on the grind, you know what I'm saying? So this will be posted. I'll get another video out tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day. We're almost to day 30, chat. If I can do it, anybody can do it. If Kai can do 30 days, you can do 30 days. It's all about your mentality, you know what I'm saying, chat? If you don't got the mentality, then you're not going to win. I'm telling y'all. There's people that I know out there who don't stay consistent, man. I don't get what it is, bruh. Like, content creation is so easy. Like, you can do anything. In today's day and age, Gen Z, millennials, bro, we're making content like crazy. Like, influencers, car content creators, or just creators in general are making more money than a 9-to-5 worker. Just think about that real quick. Like, chat, let's just think about that real quick. They make more money than a 9-to-5 worker. And there's nothing wrong with working 9-to-5. As long as you're chasing that bag and you're making money and you're living life and you're enjoying life and you're not struggling, then that's all it is. You know what I'm saying, chat? That's all it is. I just want to get the bag and disappear. That's all it is, Lord. That's all it is. But yeah, hopefully you guys do enjoy this video. Hopefully you guys do enjoy the spoiler that I got. It's been so long since I got that. But yeah, I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. I actually might make a short as well. You know, some craze. But yeah, we came trim, chat. Feeling like him today, so hopefully you guys do subscribe. Let's get this video up to at least 1,000. And I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. You know what I'm saying, chat? Love you guys. Have a great weekend. Happy Friday. And love you guys. Make sure you guys do subscribe. We out.